Uptown Swing level 1-8 count. It's D.
And P.
What's up, y'all? You guys did great. We did a lot of stuff.
We did.
But we did a lot of swinging out. You're doing great with the swing outs. Keep it up. Keep it going. New stuff we did was the old glide to the side. Let's do it from here.
Okay.
So we did like a half swing out. We did 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7. We came back. 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. We also did some rhythm breaks today. So fun. We did low downs. It goes like this. Shaboom, shabam, shaboom, shabam, shaboom, ba-ba. Hey, you can swing it out right after. We also did points. We did a hey, ho, hey, 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 If you can't think of anything, you always do the mess around like this. You go, hey, ho, ho, 5, 6, 7, You can dance right out of it and swing it out. Then we tried some sneaky stuff. We did promenades and yo-yos and mixed it up. But what we really tried was kind of breaking them up and just feeling each other in a classy, respectful way. The connection between us on these moves. So we tried stuff like this. Rock, step, triple, rock, step, rock, step, rock, step, come here. Or we did something like this. Rock, step, let's go. And honestly, after a little practice, I think everyone was doing really well with that. I encourage you to try it. Don't be a douche, just try it for fun. And followers, just go with what it feels like. If your belly button goes there, your feet are gonna come with. Y'all did a great job with that, and we'll do more next week.